Hello, today we have this Bumblebee. This Bumblebee is really cool. Mason's Treasure Toys! It is like the old Transformers, and I have these other Transformers in the back for the background. And let's start. So you wanna like open that part. See this part? The head goes in like that. Then you go close it and you need to snap it. Now it looks like this. Or like you can look at it like a putting head in. So then get the thing, the trunk, and so that you see these two holes. That's where you put them in. Those two hole things. So let's snap them in. So now it looks like this. Let's go like that. Let's go like that. Let's go like that. And see that? And you want to move it anywhere you want. And so you can do the same thing for the other hand. I moved in close just for you to like see it. So you go like this. Move out the hands, connect it. So after that, it looks like this, but without no hands sticking out. So you put them in like that. Now for the legs. The legs are really hard. For each side, you want to do this. Take out that. Bam, 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 bam. But you also want to give it out. I accidentally did that. You do want to do the same thing for the other side. And you want to try to connect it. Like that. So now it looks like this. So you see this part? We're going to connect it to that. Let's click it and let's connect it. And let's go like that. And let's shove it in like normal. Like all Transformers. But not all. So you want to go like that. So let's connect them. And there we go. We got the Bumblebee. It looks like this on the bottom. Vroom, 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 vroom. That's really cool. Oh man. I like to go like this for like a taxi. And like you can go like the wheels like that. I like how it's like more realistic. I like the art design here. And I like the texture. And it looks really good. So let's not open it. Let's open it like this. So you have to open it, the trunk, and let's open that head after we do this. Let's close the trunk back in. Now so let's go like that. Bam! Now he has his armpits out. Now let's take out the legs so it'd be easier. And let's connect it there. Bam, bam, boom. By the way, you could like go like this. Take it out. See this part? It's hiding, so we want to take it out and hold it. And if you want to snap it in, see? Or else it'll fall. Let's do the same thing for the other side. Go like that. Go like that. So now we have it like that. So now it looks like that after you put the head out. So let's get this thing out. Put that back. Let's put that there. Let's put that there. Bam. Boom. Now we have the Bumblebee. Transformers, mon ami DIE. Autobots raise their battle to destroy the evil forces of the Decepticons. Dun dun dun. Mon ami DIE. You can open, you can do whatever. So there we go. The video is done. The head looks really cool. I hope you like it. Subscribe and press the like button if you like it. Of totally is cool. I'll post more videos later often in the future. Let's see you on.